Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your own Instagram profile photo to a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and a profile photo that we have uploaded to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it does load, and now let's go to Instagram.com using a shortcut on the bookmarks tab, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to profile. Once we are on the profile, if I were to, let's just say now, click on the profile photo itself, we can change the profile photo either by uploading a photo or removing the current photo, but this will not help us to save and download directly to the Mac computer. Let's click on cancel. What we have to do is right click and then click on save image as. This will then allow us to save directly to the desktop. Let's now change the name of the image and call that image 1. Let's now move to another desktop, and there we have it. Image 1 has been saved directly to the desktop. Quick preview. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.